Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted data. So guys, if your data is deleted permanently, I'm going to show you how you can recover that data on your computer. So as you can see, I have this data right here and I'm going to delete this data permanent. So as you can see, I have deleted it permanent and I'm going to show you how you can recover this permanently deleted data. Now as you can see, the data is deleted permanent. So I'm going to show you guys how you can recover this on Windows and also on Mac. So guys, this software works on both on macOS, on Windows OS. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So I'm going to delete it from recycle bin also. So now the data is permanently deleted. Now guys, you need to download the software, link will be in description. So first of all, let me show you there is no data on the computer. So first of all guys, open your browser, link will be in description, you can download from there. So here is the software, as you can see. So this works on both Mac OS and Windows OS. As you can see, you can download for Windows or for Mac OS. Website link will be in description, you can download that. So I have already downloaded and installed this software. So now I'm going to show you how you can recover data with this. Now let me open the software. Here it is. So guys, here is the software interface. Now you can select your drive which you want to recover data from. So as you can see, you can select the folder. So if you want to select one folder to scan, so as you can see here, you can select the you can select the whole drive. So I'm going to select my folder where I have deleted from my data. So here is the new folder too. So I'm going to select it, then I'm going to click on OK. So let me show you first, the soft folder is empty. Now just simply click on OK and just wait for a few seconds. Now guys, as you can see, here is the recovered photo. So as you can see, the photo is recovered and also the documents. So let me show you the documents. So as you can see here, now you can select these documents and you can recover these. Just click on recover, then click on save. So I'm going to save on desktop and I'm going to show you that the data is recovered. So as you can see guys, here is the two file. Also I'm going to recover the photos. Click on photos, select all and then simply click on recover and select the location. So here is the picture. Now as you can see guys, these were the picture that I have deleted permanently. Now the picture has been recovered successfully. So guys, you can use this software to recover your all data, documents, videos, photos, everything you can recover with this software. Link will be in description guys, you can download from there. So as you can see, it just took few seconds to recover the data. So guys, link will be in description, download the software and recover your data if you have data is deleted. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.